and Roger Morgan their first games of the season and pinned many of their hopes on the England combination of Alan Mullery and Martin Peters. Altogether, they've got 8 internationals in their side, which cost over £800,000 in transfer fees. The referee, Mr. Harold Williams, comes from Sheffield. A goodly crowd, Tottenham Hotspur to kick off. One linesman from Pontypridd, Mr. Fly, and Mr. Wheaton from Reading. Both these teams looking for their first win of the season. Throw to Wolves. Bailey. Just a slight breeze. Blown towards the goal that Spurs are defending. And here's Peters, number 10. The nose. Bailey. Throw to Wolves. Hugh Curran, number 10. Good throw, good running by Bailey, but not quite quickly enough. Oh, and a bad mistake by England. That was one of those indecisive moments which no first division side can have. Derek Dugan as sharp as ever in on that dreadful back pass. The Spurs nearly conceded a goal out of nothing. Mullery. Chivers. And Chivers, a lot of power, he scored! Chivers came through with an awful lot of power then. A lucky rebound, but he scored after 13 minutes.
The lucky rebound was really a very weak tackle by Bailey. Watch as Mullery slips the ball to Chivers. As Bailey comes in to tackle Chivers, he goes in very weakly. The ball just ricochets off his right foot, and Chivers, showing a great deal of strength, hits that between 2 defenders into the net.
And a foul by England, holding Dugan down. Clash of the real giants, Mike England there and Derek Dugan. Look at the size of them. Deegan with the free kick for Wolves. Parkin. The corner kick. Good shot by Parkin. Very difficult to know what to do when Spurs have brought back 11 men in defence. It's a corner then to Wolves. Bailey. Curran. Where's the referee? No goal. Curran finding Jennings off his line. Jennings quick to get back. One or two of the Wolves players both thought Jennings had fallen over his line, but the referee was right on the spot. Certainly, Spurs have that quite a big edge in class in midfield. Peters to Chivers. Now Peters, Mullery gone forward. It's Alan Mullery. Playing so well in midfield, combining well with Perryman and Peters. To Hegan. Wolves hoping for a free kick, not getting it. So away goes Kinnear. Mullery wandering off into a nice open space. There he is. And laid on now for Morgan. And it's a goal. 5 minutes from half-time, and a lovely goal scored by Morgan.
Great running off the ball by Mullery. Made that goal. He ran square with Kinnear pushed the ball through to Chivers, and then Morgan coming round on the blind side of the defence, running onto that flick from Chivers, and it was the second goal.
Roger Morgan gets his first goal of the season in his first match of the season. That one from Gilzine, now McCalliog. And in the Wolves trouble all through the first half. So many misplaced passes. Gilzine. Oldfield brought up one miraculous save in the first half. Ominous clouds coming overhead. Looks as if we could have another one of these Midland downpours. Peters for Tottenham. There's a lucky rebound for Chivers. Knowles. Up to Chivers. Mullery. Peters. Mullery. Well, Mullery, the ball just wouldn't come to him quickly enough. It was beautifully worked move by Mullery and by Peters. Throw in to Spurs. Chivers can send in long ones when he's got a mind to. Gilzine. England sportingly apologising to Oldfield, but there isn't a footballer on this pitch that would have blamed Mike England for going for that ball. Gilzine, a good header he laid it on, put Wolves in trouble. And a free kick this time, given against England on Dugan. Free kick to the Wolves. Dugan, the man facing the ball. And McCalliog. Dugan. And the corner kick. Parkin coming up. Almost catching the Spurs defence, going the wrong way, creating an open goal situation. Wagstaff going to tick the corner for Wolves. And another corner. Yes. 20 minutes of the second half gone. Not a happy second half for Wolves, even though they haven't dropped further behind. They're still 2-0 down. Wagstaff. Spurs have everybody back in defence. Morgan to Gilzine. What a quick break by Tottenham. That was a lesson in how to pass a ball straight across to Kinnear. Murray, and marked on the right is Mullery. Kinnear to Perryman. Peters to Perryman. That's good running off the ball to create the space to Gilzine. Well, a wretched finish to a beautiful move. Such a finish by Alan Gilzine. Must have stopped his foot. Good steady downpour now. Morgan. Chivers to Mullery. To Peters. And Oldfield somehow got that away. Good brave goalkeeping. He was under tremendous pressure. This isn't a very quick build-up, but there aren't many Wolves players getting back to challenge in defence. Mallory to Peters. Mallory. It's a goal! 24 minutes of the second half gone, and Mallory completely shocked Oldfield. Oldfield was taken by surprise, I suppose. Yeah, poor old John Oldfield just doesn't know what hit him. Now that's 10 goals in 3 matches Wolves have conceded. Mallory, Chivers, Gilsey, Peters, and Gilsey running well inside the back. Corner kick, and I think Harkin is hurt, is he? Well, he's only got a few seconds left to suffer the agony before he can have proper attention. Gilsey ran well behind the back then. And the whistle goes for the end of the match. The 16th Football League game without a win for Wolverhampton Wanderers, beaten 3 goals to 0 by Tottenham Hotspur.